Hello, my name is Tanmay Gupta and you're watching. Actually, you know what you're watching.
कुछ भी
Shut up. Okay, let me show the materials that I'll be using in this video. This is Staedtler Mars Lumograph Black. And I'll be using HB, 2B, 4B, 6B and 8B for the eyes. And in normal HB and 2B I'll be using Artline HB pencil. And this is Faber-Castell 2B pencil. You can use any brand HB 2B pencil. And this is the white gel pen for the reflection inside the eye. And for blending I'll be using the blending stump for the eyes. And for the skin, here's the tissue paper that people mostly use for wiping
shit
sweat. And for the highlighting, I'll be using that mono eraser. Hey, give me that.
इतने प्रकार का तो रबड़ रखे हैं आप.
That one. Here it is.
Okay, now we'll remove the grids with a normal eraser. And I'm using Staedtler Mars Lumograph Black pencil. Really a long name. Starting with an HB pencil to layer over the eye structure. Use the pencil very lightly and layer over your pre-built structure. Now I'll use a paper stump to blend the layers. Make sure the stumps are not indulged with the graphite powder, and if it is, you can use a normal sandpaper to rub and remove the dirt and graphite from it. Make sure the tips of the pencil are sharp enough so you can get a crispy line. So I've cleaned my stumps again to use it, because I don't want any mess around my sketch. You have to make it very simple and clear. Using kneaded eraser and Tombow Mono Zero eraser. Focus more on the reference photo and observe all the shadows and highlights. And don't give any pressure to the pencil to shade. Always do it very lightly so you can make the highlights by erasing any area. Now I'll use the 4B pencil and repeat the process until I am satisfied with the result. And in between the process of this layering and blending, make sure the highlighted parts are light and shadows part are dark. Not really dark but little more compared to the highlighted part. Again with the 6B. The more grit pencils used, the more realistic look you will get following the process. Using a normal Artline HB pencil to shade around the eye so that I can observe and compare the skin tone with the eye. I rarely use blending stump for the skin except the eyes. And with the last layer of 8B, we'll be ready with our eyes. Using a white gel pen to make reflection between the iris. I'm observing the reference image and shading the darker parts with the HB pencil. And I use tissue paper to blend the graphite on the skin. Always blend it in the circular motion. Making the dots with the mono eraser will show you the pores in the human skin. Moving toward the eyebrows. Using a Staedtler black HB pencil. Make sure the tips are sharp enough. This is really important if we talk about the eyebrows. Just giving the strokes according to the reference image. Giving the highlighted strokes with the mono eraser and doing the second layer with the 2B. Moving towards the second eye and repeating the same thing that I've done with the first one. Now enjoy the music and watch the process. I've used only two pencils to shade over the skin except the eye. The one is Artline HB pencil and Faber-Castell 2B pencil. Just change the position of your pencil to change the tip after every stroke by rotating the pencil into the different direction. Using 2B black pencil to make the frames. The pencils which we are using for the skin texture are usually silver in color and not actually black. And the pencils I've used for the eye is really black, just like the charcoal pencils. Towards the forehead, using the cross hatch method, I'll do a complete shade with this HB Artline pencil. Cross hatching means shading horizontally and then vertically on the same area and then blend it with a tissue paper. Observing the reference, I'll use HB pencil and just shade on the darker parts and leaving the highlighted part. I'll meet you in the next part of this video.